In this session, we are going to see how to use COUNTIFs function. COUNTIFs function. This function is used to count number of cells that meets one or more criteria. In this example, we are going to find the number of staff present in production department using COUNTIF function. Now let us see how to do this. Here in this cell, we are going to calculate the number of staff present in production department. Now let me type the formula here to find the count equal to COUNTIFs of. Here we have to mention the range and criteria. So first we are going to check this range department from C3 to C15. This is our range. In this range, we want to count only the production department. So type production within double quotes. Then put a comma and start the next criteria range and criteria. So the next criteria range will be this attendance. So select these records. Our criteria range will be from D3 to D15. Put a comma and then we are going to find only the present. So within double quotes type present. Close the bracket and press enter. See, we got the count 3. So 3 staffs in production department were present. We are going to see one more example in which we are going to find the number of staff absent in marketing department. Let us type the formula here equal to COUNTIFs open bracket, select the range here. So our range will be from C3 to C15. Put a comma and we are going to check only the marketing department. So within double quotes type marketing, close the double quotes, then put a comma. Now select the second criteria range. Our second criteria range will be from D3 to D15. So in this range we are going to check the staff who are absent. So within double quotes type absent, close quotes, close bracket, press the enter button. Now we got the number in marketing department. One staff is absent. If you have any doubt in this session, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.